47% of jobs will be automated by 2027. Here's the secret to thriving. AI automation tools are changing the way we work. But most people are focusing on the wrong tools. They're looking at generic lists of top 10 AI tools instead of understanding what actually works. This is a problem because it leads to wasted time and money on tools that don't deliver. The key is to find the tools that are actually being used by successful companies. These companies are not just using AI, they're using it to replace entire departments. They're using it to save millions of dollars. The question is, what are these tools and how can you use them? The number one tool being used is Claude. It's an AI automation tool that can write code, create videos, and even manage teams. A marketing firm in New York used Claude to automate their social media management. They saved $20,000 a month. They reallocated that money into influencer marketing. Their revenue went up 30% in 90 days. This is not a unique story. Many companies are using Claude to automate their workflows. They are using it to free up time and resources. They're using it to focus on high-level tasks. The result is increased productivity and revenue. The second tool being used is automated customer service chatbots. These chatbots can answer customer questions, resolve issues, and even make sales. A Fortune 500 company used an automated customer service chatbot to reduce their support tickets by 60%. They saved $1 million a year. They improved their customer satisfaction ratings by 20%. This is a significant improvement. It shows that AI automation tools can be used to improve customer service. They can be used to reduce costs. They can be used to increase revenue. The key is to find the right tool for the job. The key is to understand how to use it effectively. The third tool being used is Project Management AI. It's an AI tool that can manage projects, assign tasks, and even predict deadlines. A software development company used Project Management AI to automate their project workflows. They saved 30% of their project management time. They improved their project delivery time by 25%. This is a significant improvement. It shows that AI automation tools can be used to improve project management. They can be used to reduce costs. They can be used to increase productivity. The result is increased revenue and growth. The key is to find the right tool for the job. The key is to understand how to use it effectively. The contrarian angle is that AI automation tools are not just for big companies. They're not just for tech-savvy people. They're for anyone who wants to improve their workflow. They're for anyone who wants to increase their productivity. The key is to find the right tool for the job. The key is to understand how to use it effectively. This is not a difficult task. It requires some research and experimentation, but the result is worth it. The result is increased revenue, productivity, and growth. The question is, what are you waiting for? The next video will explore how to use AI automation tools to start a side hustle. Subscribe now.